Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Keyless License Installation, I'm going to show you how you can install your keyless license for use with Eclipse, and how to create or select your user. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's talk keyless license installation. Now that Eclipse is installed, I can install my keyless license to begin using it. Installation of your keyless license is required in order to use your license with Eclipse. When you sign up for Eclipse or upon request, we will email you your keyless license. So I'm going to open my email, and we see that I have an email that has been sent from keys@connect.eclipsecat.com, and the subject is Eclipse license file. When I open this email, it says attached is your Eclipse license file. This file is required to run your Eclipse program keylessly. It is your remote key for Eclipse. Please keep a copy of this email and the enclosed attachment somewhere secure and easily remembered, such as your important documents folder, as the license file will be necessary to run Eclipse on any computer. And the email also includes instructions to save the eclipse.lic attachment to my desktop and then run Eclipse. And I see that the eclipse.lic is indeed attached. And just as recommended by the email, I've marked this email as important, and I'm going to make sure that I move it into a folder that I can easily find it in, or add a label that I'll easily recognize so that I can find it again in the future. We can always send you a new copy of this license file. However, if you need it, it's good to have it on hand. I'm going to download my license file by hovering over the attachment and choosing Download. My browser is configured to ask me where I'd like to save this file. However, yours may simply directly download it to your Downloads folder. If that's the case, you'll want to copy and paste it to your desktop. For this example, I'm simply going to choose Desktop and click Save. When I look on my desktop, I see that I now have an eclipse.lic file. And before I run Eclipse, I want to make sure that this is actually the file and not a shortcut to the file. And I want to make sure that the name is simply eclipse.lic and not eclipse12345.lic. Once the license has been saved to my desktop, I can double-click Eclipse to open it. And I'm prompted to install and activate that license. I want to click Yes, and then I'm given the option of creating a new user, or if I've used this computer before, my existing users will be listed. Since this is a brand new installation, I'm going to create a new user. I'm going to type in my first and last name. I'll click Next, and now I can choose a short name, and the short name is what Eclipse will know me by. This will be the name of my default dictionary, my user settings, and my spelling dictionaries. I'm going to choose just my first name, Ashley, and I'll click Next, and I'm prompted to select a recording device. I'm going to choose the microphone that I wish to record with. However, if it's not available, I can configure this later and we'll cover this in depth in future videos. Eclipse has loaded, and since I chose Steno as my input method during the installation, the default toolbars and settings are all configured for use with Steno writing. At this point, I'm ready to begin customizing Eclipse for my personal use. And we'll cover more of this, including dictionary setup, in future videos. To check that your license has been properly installed, you can go to Support, About Eclipse. Your license is listed as well as your authorization level. Since this is just a Steno license, it says only T. This window also shows you your current version number. Stay tuned for more information on how to configure and begin using Eclipse Steno. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, by phone at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available for less urgent matters at support@eclipsecat.com. Click the links on screen to learn more about Advantage Software or Eclipse. Thanks so much for watching this video, and have a great day.